How to get hired faster in Byte.com. So hey guys, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to get hired faster in Byte.com. All we need to do is open up your Byte.com right here. Once you open up your Byte.com right here, to get hired faster is on the bottom right corner. You will see more right there. All you need to do is press on more right there. After pressing on more right there, here you will see buy premium, get hired 2 times faster by applying to the job where you top up applicants. So we just click on that right there, get hired. So here are the plans. So for 1,000 pesos, or I think that's more or less like 17, 17 or $18 somewhere between there for 1 month, and for 3 months you get like a, do you call this, a few percent discount. So if you're gonna do the 3 months, it's gonna be like it's 12, 18, like 30, like I think it's like $35 somewhere between there, yeah. And we have also the elite. For the elite, much more price here for 1 month plan, yeah. That's a big amount. Wait, let me try to compute it. 2550 divided by 6. Yeah, it's about $41 per month. Ooh. So yeah, and we also have the 3 months with a discount. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's how to do it. So yeah, I introduced by this, and you get a few features right there, a few much more, and when you go to elite, much more features right there. Yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on How to Rocket, guys. Okay, there you go, guys, and thank you, guys.